Yes, click on add recipient. Then select BDT. B.
Oh, B. Okay.
Okay, BDT. Select on this. Click on this.
Got it.
Yes. Then someone else, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on the right side Bkash account. Look at this. Click on the right side Bkash. Yes. Select. Okay. Here, type here. No. Yes. Full name of the account holder. Sign. আপনার অ্যাকাউন্টটা নেবেন ভাই? আচ্ছা, সাইম তালুকদার. Just sign. Then you select here the country code +88. Okay, thank you so much. Look at this country code +88. The right side.
Oh,
yes.
You got it.
+88. Yes, Bangladesh. And right here my Bkash number 1961 46 3314.
3314.
Yes, just a minute and revise that. 1961 46 3314. Yes, click on confirm. Yes, recipient alright. Then click on send money, please.
Okay. So I can send you money. I'm gonna send that here in a quick minute.
Yes. And now select here the amount of money, $30. You send exactly. Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it in a minute. I have to. So what do you need? When will you start? Once I send the money, when will you start?
Then we need your channel access, just channel editor access. Then we can start our work. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. So editor access.
Yes, editor access. Yes.
Okay.
Click on continue.
That way you don't get any charge.
Yes.
I don't understand why it wants that.
Select just volume, yearly volume, your earning volume. Just select one of these. That's not a problem. Yes, first one.
Right.
Continue. Yes, source of income, salary or anything. Annual income. Select annual income. Your first one is.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna say that. I don't know why it wants to know all that.
Yes. Continue.
Right now I have no income, so.
That's not a problem. Review. That's just a minute. I am analyze. I want to analyze.
Why is it still it's still charging fees?
Yes, it's charge fee. Okay. Click on accept. Reference is not on. Click on accept. Then continue to pay. Okay.
You gotta send me a Gmail because you gotta have a Gmail to have editor access.
Okay. Then type your voice password, please. Done. Your 6-digit code in your phone.